Skateboards are made out of wood. I have a massive laser machine and I do like movie props. So all of these went super well together when I thought of making the Back to the Future skateboard myself. All right, let's get to it. So yeah, the first step was basically getting the layout of the actual skateboard from the movie, which I was able to find online. I then drew an outline in the laser cutting machine software, which allowed me to laser cut the board about 4 times. Once that was done, it was just a question of gluing them all together. I want to say that I kind of missed one step, which is creating a nice tail. Usually skateboards have a really big tail at the back and kind of curve inside like a bowl the whole way around. I didn't have a template for that and actually didn't even think of it while I was making it.
Watch out, 'cause I know the break's coming.
So I kind of managed to bend the wood a tiny bit by wetting it and using a makeshift clamp template to bend it upwards.
Watch out, 'cause I know the break's coming.
I'm not sure it worked out really well, but it kind of makes it look like it's going up a bit. It's enough to give it a tiny bit of a kick. Once it's all glued up, I need to go around with a sanding machine to get all the glue removed from the sides, make it nice and smooth and flush. basically that was it for the board. I just then drilled 4 holes on the front and the back to be able to put my trucks in. Don't ask me how, somehow they aligned up. It was pretty neat, to be honest. Woodworking wise, it was a super simple project, just laser cutting and gluing. The tricky-ish part was actually trying to get a paint design. So I had to set up this massive paint booth in my flat to be able to do this paint splatters. You've got a brush, right? I'm just gonna flick it. Away, that looks sick. So far I've managed to keep it pretty clean on the mat. I'm just gonna carry on loading it up and see what's up. All right, just gonna let it dry before I can flip it around and do the front side instead. Because obviously since it's paint splatters, the paint is quite thick and it's gonna take a while to dry. But it looks good. I really dig it. Next step done. The back is still needing to be finished, but it looks really good. Next update. I've coated it with some clear coat and I'm now going to attempt to put the grip on it. I'm going to keep the sort of angle in the middle of the center and just try and glue it. I've only glued up one board before, so this will be interesting. It was unfortunately too short. Trucks and wheels attached, took them from an old skateboard and it is looking super clean. I've got a few tiny more details to do, but other than that, it's looking really good. I then had to get out my sticker machine and then ripped some of the designs online and printed them out and cut them to the right shapes. I also cut out the logos from the front and the back out of vinyl paper and just glued them on top. If you watched my previous videos, you know I always enjoy doing a montage at the end with some cool B-roll. And as always, thanks for watching, enjoy this last edit, and I will see you next time. Take care.